Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have a diamond painting to show you here, and this is from a company I've never ordered from before. Well, I've never ordered a diamond painting from before. I have ordered trays from her before. So let me tell you who it's from first of all, and forgive me for pronunciation. I believe they're out of Canada and speak French. It's Les Créations de Clos. They do things, she calls them crayons. Those are the pens. Pens, tools, accessories, 3D poured diamond painting, hand-turned pencils, canvases, accessories for diamond painting. There's her information, their website, email, things like that. Okay. Social media on the back. Now, I follow her on Instagram. I do not follow her on Facebook. I should probably do that. But there is all of her information. Like I said, I ordered some trays quite a while ago, and she has started, or they have started, making their own diamond paintings. So producing diamond paintings, selling diamond paintings. Okay. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what I have. I've already taken out of the box. I got all the box taken care of. So there came with some candy, an assortment of candy. Tropical rockets. See, this is definitely not US. We call these Smarties in the US, and they call them rockets. So there you go. Got some candy. All right. Now, being a smaller company producing fewer diamond paintings, there's not hundreds of diamond paintings to choose from, but they're constantly getting new things. So from the first time I looked to this time, there were quite a few more options. So doing a nice job coming up with what diamond painters like on their canvases, what kind of canvas, what kinds of drills, all of that kind of stuff. And of course, the second that I start recording this, the neighbor comes out to mow again. He hasn't been mowing all afternoon. He mowed this morning and now he's mowing again. So hopefully it's not too loud. He's headed the other way. Okay, so it has your soft back canvas, the soft lint, has scalloped edges, has the poked holes. It is poured glue. All right, lots of good things already. Comes with an inventory sheet. Here's my image. Super cute, right? This little, I don't know what it is. It's not a leopard. It's I don't know what it is exactly. It's a big cat. And there's just some tulips over here, a couple dragonflies. I thought it was a super cute image. There are 51 colors in this bad boy. Wow, that's quite a few. I did not expect that many. Oh, and it has ABs. There are 3 ABs listed here at the bottom. A couple of purples. Nice. So this you can run through a Xyron sticker maker, turn these into stickers so that you can put those on your containers when you kit up. This is the number, how many drills there are, or this, maybe this one is, I don't know. I don't know what the difference is. Color number, DMC code, weight, how many bags, 1 bag of each. I believe they're machine packed drills, so we will check them out. Neat. It's a 50 by 50 round drill. Let's check it out, okay? Let's roll it backwards so that I can get it to lay flat here for us real quick, and then we'll give it a go, see what we have. So I've had a few different companies on my list to try. This was one of them, and one time I went and the image that I liked was sold out, and so I was like, okay. But I found something I liked and I ordered it. There's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. I know the lawnmower is back. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. I have to take advantage of these moments when I can film. All right, there it is. Super pretty. I have a legend on both sides, one over here, one over here. Both of them have a thumbnail picture, as you can tell. The size is up here, and that is in French, I believe. La Passion du Diamonds, I think. I don't know for sure. It is licensed. So the artist is listed below. Annie Joel Bollinger is the artist, and all of her information is here. And then all of the company's information is over here on this side. Nice. Now, let's look up close. Let's get up close to the business. Now, are there some guide circles? Yes, there are. But I'm hoping that they're going to be fairly small and not very noticeable. Okay. One of the first things I noticed right off the bat, and I will just, this is a critique right off the bat, is that we have dark coloring here with black symbols. Now, if I was going to say something to improve would be to put some white symbols, white lettering on these darker areas so that they would be easier to spot. Now, I'm not saying that's going to be a problem. It's just a suggestion that I would, like through here, some of these could be white lettering and they would just be a little bit easier to see. I use a light pad with everything, so it makes things a little easier, but just one little note. Noted, okay? But it is super cute. I love the look on this little guy's face, like he's looking at those dragonflies flitting around, and it was just super cute. They had a couple other pieces, I think, by that same artist, but, you know, I will link it below, and you can go check out their site for yourself and see if there's something there that you like, right? Maybe you like this one. Let's look at the drills. I'm going to kind of get them all out here. I already love, these are not the machine packed, by the way. These are in Ziploc baggies, which I love. Love my Ziploc baggies. So here's their toolkit. It's a boat, wax, some baggies, tweezers, a pen that has a 3-placer on the end, and a squishy for the pen. So a little nicer toolkit than just your basic toolkit. So there's a few extras in there. That's nice. I like it. Okay, so here is the one reason that people see. Did you see that drill pop off? Do you see this one right here? It's loose. Some get loose out of these bags because these are hand packed, and if they don't get sealed up properly on the top, that can happen. They can escape. All right. So let's look and see what we have here. I'm gonna zoom you in. In, zoomy, let's go in. Okay, so look at the pretty colors. Pinks, purple, some bluey gray colors. That's a gray, another purple. It's got very, very pretty colors. That's what attracted me to it, is the pinks, the purples, and the blues that are in this. Look at those colors. You notice that they're labeled. There go some of those loose drills. Somebody's open. Someone is open. So these are labeled with just the number on the canvas. So if you look down the side, 1 through 51, that is how these are labeled. Okay, trying to see which one's open. Who's open? Who is leaking? All right, we got a lot of colors here. A goldenrod, a burgundy, couple burgundies, some pretty blues. And the ABs are at the very back there. Tan. Love that color. Oh, there's 2 tones of it. Love it. So pretty. Okay. Oh, there went another one. See, this does not really bother me because I know that this happens with pre-bagged drills, and I just prepare for it. All right. Look at that pretty blue. Tans and grays. Look at those beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous colors. All right, selection of pinks. Love it. We're getting close. We're getting close to the bottom of the bag. Look how pretty. Wow, every color in here is just super pretty. Look at those. Love it. Okay, I think we're to our ABs. There were 3. Yep, here they are. So we have this beautiful purple. This is in my 210 families, right? This one is 208. 209, and then we have this beautiful blue, which is $9.95. Beautiful. There's our ABs, and there's a nice amount of ABs there, right? Beautiful, beautiful ABs. Okay, trying to collect my loose little drills here. Put them back in the bag. I'll empty them out later. Okay, let's slide these to the side, and let's see where the ABs are placed. We have a 6. 6 is the lighter, no, it's the darker one. 6 is the darker one. Okay, let's find out where they're placed. 6, the symbol for a 6 for this darker one. So let's see, purple, 6. Let's see. Okay, I see some through here, 6s are in here. Through here. They're kind of peppered through here and up around these tulips. There's some here. A few here. Let's see. I see any up here. Up here there are some. Okay. Around the top here. And so I'm assuming it's going to kind of do the same thing down the side. So there will be some purples, that darker purple through here. There's some in the ear. Oh my gosh, there are some in the ear, on the outside of the ear there. And then coming back down around here, no, I don't see any down there. All right, now the light purple is a star. So where do we see the star? Let's look for light purple. Okay, you can kind of see it right there. They look like that. So in here, peppered through here. Let's see. There's some in here as well where the darker purples are. We have the lighter purple also. Some through here. They're peppered, just, you know, peppered throughout. Some over here on the ear, coming up this side of the ear. How about on this ear? Yep, we have more over here on this ear too. There's a few down here. Nope, those are pluses. Nope, those are pluses. I'm sorry. A few there. Okay. All right. Now that blue. Okay, the blue. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so pretty. That's the symbol 8. So there's only a few places I would expect to find those, right? It is not down here. So let's go to our flowers. Yes, some around the flower, the edge of the flower. Around the edge of this flower. The bottom of this flower, it's that darker blue. See the darker blue? Oh, hang on. See the darker blue around the flowers? That's the AB. And then here, that darker blue. Any place else? Oh, the dragonfly gets a few. He gets a couple. Toot toot. And there are a few up here. There's a few in there, a few over here, a few over here. So, yeah. That's super cute. I really like it. There might be a couple in the eye. I think I see a couple in his eye. Super cute. So, like I said, I will link it below and you can check it out and see what you think. This is one of those times when I'm like, I should put some drills on this. Let's see how it's going to turn out, what it's going to look like. You know, maybe do a tulip or something, see what I think. But they have a few things. I think you should go check them out. This came super fast. And I had it in, I mean, less than a week, I think. So that was good. Anyhow, that's what I have for you today. And I hope you enjoyed it. And give them a look-see. See what you think. Alrighty? Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will talk to you real soon. Bye, you guys.